TypingMind review. Is this the best AI chat app for you? So TypingMind is a modern AI chat interface built for productivity. It supports multiple large language models like ChatGPT, self-hosting options, offline functionality, and a rich workspace. So it offers multi-modal flexibility, like they have a lot of agents as well. It has an organized AI workspace, as you can see. It also has privacy-first approach, which means it's protective, and it has a cost-effective one-time purchase. The cons of it though is it requires the API keys and technical setup, so you must apply your own model API keys. It also has storage limitations and absolute fractions, and they have stability concerns, and they also have community support decline. So overall, Typing Mind delivers a powerful, organized, and privacy-friendly AI chat platform, especially appealing if you want multimodal access and strong workspace tools and prefer a one-time payment. It's especially suited for professionals, teams, and creators seeking long-term productivity.